How to disable the Windows 10 startup delay. After Windows starts up, it waits about 10 seconds before opening your startup programs. This startup delay lets your desktop and Windows services finish loading, making everything run a bit smoother. If you have apps you'd rather run immediately, you can do it with a simple registry hack. The 10-second delay after Windows starts but before it begins loading startup apps gives the operating system time to load into memory and perform any necessary system tasks before the apps start requesting resources. The registry hack we're talking about in this article reduces or disables the startup delay, meaning that it applies to all startup apps. There's no way to apply this technique only to specific apps. Note, eliminating the startup delay works best on solid-state drives since they load things much quicker. While you can certainly give it a try if you have a traditional hard drive, you might not see much increase in how fast your startup apps load. Standard warning: Registry Editor is a powerful tool and misusing it can render your system unstable or even inoperable. This is a pretty simple hack, and as long as you stick to the instructions, you shouldn't have any problems. That said, if you've never worked with it before, consider reading about how to use the registry editor before you get started. And definitely back up the registry and your computer before making changes. Open the registry editor by hitting Start and typing regedit. Press Enter to open the registry editor and then permit it to make changes to your PC. In the registry editor, use the left sidebar to navigate to the following key, or copy and paste it into the registry editor address bar. If the serialize key doesn't already exist, you'll need to create it. Right-click on the parent key, Explorer, and choose New Greater Than key. Name it Serialize. Now, right-click the serialize key and choose New Greater Than DWORD 32-bit value. Name the new value Startup Delay in MSEC. Next, you're going to modify that value. Double-click the new startup delay in MSEC value and make sure the value is set to 0 in the Value Data box. Click OK, and then exit Registry Editor. For the changes to take effect, you'll need to restart your computer. You and any other users should no longer experience the delay forced upon you by Windows. If you ever want to re-enable this delay because your startup programs are demanding too many resources upon signing in, head back into the registry editor and delete the startup delay in MSEC value by right-clicking it and then clicking Delete. If you don't feel like diving into the registry yourself, we've created a registry hack you can use. Just download and extract the following zip file. Inside you'll find a reg file for disabling the startup delay in Windows and one for enabling it again. Once extracted, double-click the file you want and accept the prompts asking whether you're sure you want to make changes to your registry. These hacks are just the serialize key exported from our own registry after we added, or removed, the startup delay in MSEC value we talked about in the previous section. Running the hack modifies the value in your registry. If you enjoy fiddling with the registry, it's worth taking the time to learn how to make your own registry hacks. Text source: howtogeek.com